What is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of those days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and I'm going to start by saying it is Father's Day weekend, and Merry Christmas. Why Merry Christmas, you ask? Because any day that I get to fish with Lady Drysdale.
Hello.
And my reluctant Drysdale. It is like Christmas to me.
What about Petey?
And we also have a special guest on the boat. Petey.
Doggy Drysdale.
Doggy Drysdale. So we out here on Father's Day weekend. I don't know how much fishing we're gonna do, but I'm gonna catch a couple of fish and then we going home because 1, it's late. 2, that means it's getting warm, and 3, that means recreational boat traffic is getting high. And I don't like to be out here with a bunch of recreational boaters. But let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get 'em.
Go over here now.
But that's good. So your bait for me. Get that slack out. Stop. Got it?
Jay, the problem is, it's not a, how do you say, Shirley?
You can stop reeling it.
I didn't reel. I did stop reeling.
I know. Swing it back. Lift it up and bring it back. That's 1.
But it's going back.
Yeah,
Because it's too small.
She ain't big, but she won. Oh, look at that baby. Look at that baby. Go right back out where you were just. He came out and hit you too. Reel it up. Don't get caught in that trolling mode.
Oh.
I seen him come out and hit you. But you felt it though.
I was scratching my head.
I'm gonna put on the video. That's gonna be that skirt. Start reeling. Go right into it. Keep reeling. Don't stop reeling now. Pause. Reel. Give it that twitch and throw it back. Got him? Oh, he got him. Bring him on in here. Swing.
Oh, that's a big one.
Ooh, I'll get him over the boat.
It's heavy.
If you get him over the boat, we can keep him. That's a keeper. She gonna keep. That was greater than 10 inches. We keep those.
Not much with the, it's hard to pull that in with the left hand.
Use your right hand.
I was reeling with my right hand.
Oh, yeah, I guess that's how I got them set up. So there's your first keeper of the day. They're getting better. Try it again. Fix these rods. That's your bait right. So you see how deep you are? So reel it up. Reel. Stop it. Start reeling really slow. Hold the rod. You get it? Got him that time. Stop reeling and just swing it in here. You're sitting on the deco. Get some real up with some stuff. Alright, that's one more thing, we're gonna move to another one. This is just a practice hole, just so you can get the feel of it. Then we'll go look for some big Shirleys.
Okay. No, she flipped it over, Mom.
She might end up dead. Sure hate to kill you for nothing. They're gone too soon. Alright. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Now, one of the keys is to know what the difference is between getting hit by a fish and hitting a stump. Some of that brush that's in there, so that you don't set the hook into the brush. Oh, she's broken. Wait. Let me show you the easy way to clean. When they're out there, when they swim, just bring the rod tip straight up.
Oh, okay.
Swing it straight back to you.
But I wanted to swing to you. No.
I'll grab it before it got to you. I would have grabbed it here. Once I get these other rods set up, we'll go look for some Shirleys. You feel better? You understanding it?
Yeah.
You ready to go look for some Shirleys? I got the touch. I done it a few times. It ain't my first rodeo.
I'm out right where I was at.
But she's still small. But you were coming out. I went back and I went in where you were coming out of.
You saw that.
What?
You saw that.
Saw what?
He stole the fish I was finna catch. That one.
Oh, that was on TV, isn't it?
No.
It's small? No. No. You're gonna wrap it around that other rod.
I was trying to get away from it.
No, she ain't. Get on out of here now. Get! Go ahead, set the hook. Set the hook. There we go. She ain't big, but she won. That might be 10 inches. That might be looking small for me. I don't feel like doing a whole bunch of cleaning, so we got to guess about it. We throwing them back. Let's try and get another one.
Because I'll be forgetting to get me places. I like the place with that. I just don't get the
About time. About time they took it. I'm gonna throw you back too because I don't feel like cleaning. You might be a little bit short. pretty bait.
Yeah.
Pretty enough to catch that. We'll catch one more, then we're gonna wrap it up. Get off of here. All right, YouTube. It's hot out here. I'm in mid-season form for fishing, but not in mid-season form for dealing with this heat. So that's gonna do it for this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. That's two.
That's the one I caught.
I got my grandkids for the first time coming out. I've never been fishing before, so.
Oh, really?
Oh, fun.
I got my daughter and the husband coming out.
Where you stay at?
I live in Decatur.
Okay. And these here, we call these here. These are called Big Shirleys.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah, if it's greater than 12 inches, it's a Big Shirley.
There's some good eating too.
That's a Big Shirley, folks. That's a Big Shirley. All right, man. Well, look, have a great Father's Day
Same to
weekend.
you.
Enjoy them grands. I ain't got none yet.
You have a blessing.
Yes, sir. You too. All right, I got you. Take care, bro.
Thank you.
All right.
It was fun. It was hot, but it was fun.
Happy Father's Day.
Oh yeah.
Once a
Happy
year.
Father's Day.
Like you said, it's like Christmas. You get me once a year.
As always, folks, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who either hits the like button, all of the comments. I try to respond to all of the comments that I get, and especially my subscribers. To my long-term subscribers, you know it. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. And to my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos. Until next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.